YouTube.
No, we
Oh, is that YouTube? It's YouTube.
This
We're
is
gonna put it
how
on YouTube.
We do.
we're
If we end up on YouTube, probably.
yeah.
In Bro's house. The down scene in Bro's house.
Yeah, we're all down.
Midnight power.
Down for anything.
Hit me up on that aim.
Oh my gosh.
That's cute.
Wow.
Get at me on Rose aim.
Wow.
It's taken though, so.
Yeah, excuse me.
Yeah, take it.
Are you putting on me?
Take it.
I'm not taken.
Oh wait, not taken.
Sometimes
Wow, what is
I'm
this
not
gonna be? Are we gonna put it on our
Single for
our
the next
MySpace?
5
What?
minutes. Oh.
Oh, Tara's single for the video only.
Okay, video.
Once the video's off,
Yeah, go
back
get
to
it,
back to over there
Still
on the
Amy.
couch.
Just kidding. Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Relax, guys.
Oh,
Relax.
is it time for my close up?
Yeah, it is. Ready? Close.
Oh, it's
Come on, girl.
single.
Look at all the hot bodies. They're red. They're red.
CSUSM and second year.
San Marcos.
And
It's all about San Marcos.
It's only you're
I
only
like
as old as
walking
you
on the
feel.
beach and sipping boba through. Yes.
Do you like hitting people with boba?
I like pho.
Oh, pho.
Let's get to the real
What do you
things.
like in your pho?
I like
I-
educated.
If you got a major, you better let me know.
Let me know.
Okay.
What?
What else do we like?
What?
Doggy porn. Hey,
I like talented people.
hold on.
Them girls.
Oh wait, hold on.
Ew! Nasty.
Somehow they said that they have better saliva
They
than
said
us?
the dogs have cleaner mouths than humans.
You know,
nice, you
if you can sing
Something,
or
something.
play the. Wow!
She totally bust out with a guitar.
I like girls that can sing.
And play the guitar, apparently.
I like
And
models.
girls that can read contemporary perspectives on rhetoric.
Intelligent
What do you know
people.
about
Reading rhetorically.
that shit?
Because we're all college
Girls
folks
that
here.
can get embodied, you know, with embodied.
And not powerful, but
I
empowered.
like them nurse.
Feet. Don't buy women.
Don't buy women.
Alright? Don't buy women.
Do
Don't
not
Buy
buy
just
women.
buy women things.
Yes.
I had to
Don't-
go pee and I'm back. What happened?
We're saying don't buy women.
Don't buy women.
Because stop the trafficking.
You can buy me a
jam.
sidekick.
Yeah. There you go. Nurse.
Some
Dance.
Yeah, while you're sitting down.
Look at our library. We read for real. Okay, we have business, strategic management, HD majors, nursing majors. We have empowerment, women's studies for like the real game.
Dance majors.
We have dance majors because we love the dancers. What else do we have? Doggy porn.
Hello.
Okay. No, we're taking a video.
Hello.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
you are.
I didn't know
Everyone.
it took.
Hey.
Be still.
Fuck. Doggy porn, doggy porn.
The
Music.
So, hi, I'm Ro, and I was born in California.
What are, what are